Hello, this is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. I'm producing a number of video tutorials on the Tailor brand's advanced website builder. This tutorial is going to show how to add social icons to your website. These are generally added in the footer, but they could equally be added into the header of your website. I've uploaded a templated website here, and I'm going to add some social buttons at the top right here. I'm just going to make this column a bit bigger to do so in the first place. The social icons are added via a widget. So if I go over here to widgets, I could type in social, or I can scroll down to social, and I could just drag in this social icons to the top right here. Now I can select which icons I'd like to show. I'll have an email, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. I'm very sociable. LinkedIn. That'll probably do. Now we've added these icons, we need to add some information. So we can give it an email address, the WhatsApp phone number, the Facebook address, the Twitter address, the Instagram address, and the LinkedIn address. Let's see how this looks in preview. So here are the social buttons. So as you press them, they'll take you to the social account. You can add these to any part of the website. We can now design the area for here, the layout. So we can change the layout. We can have them looking square. We have quite a variety of layouts here. We can change the style. We can have the icons bigger. We can have the space bigger between the icons. We can have a hover effect. This means when I hover over it, it does something. We can have it to zoom out. And we can add some spacing if we need it. You also can have this to float, and what this means is that if I select floating, it will be put in a set position on your page and it will stay there as you scroll up and down. Let me show you what I mean. If I select this, it's the bottom right, and here we are, it's showing at the bottom right, and it stays there as I scroll up and down. I might want the position to be at the top right. Funny enough, that's where I had it at the beginning. Bottom left, the bottom. So you can change where you want it to show. And you can show it on this page, or you can show it on all pages. That's how you add the social icons to your website.